Hi children, here another numerical. A body of mass 60 kg has the momentum 3000 kg meter per second. Calculate the kinetic energy and the speed of the body. As I told earlier, firstly you have to write the question number and then given data. Here a body of mass 60 kilogram. So I will write mass small letter m is equal to 60 kilogram. And the momentum P is equal to 3000 kilogram meter per second. And we have to find out the kinetic energy and speed. Okay. Here we have mass of the body is here and the momentum is also here. We know the equation for momentum P is equal to mv. Okay, here I am doing P is equal to mv. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity or mass into speed. Here P is equal to, here we have the value of P, so that is 3000. Okay, and we have the value of m into v. Therefore, v is equal to 3000 by 60. Therefore, v is equal to, we will get 50 meter per second. That is the speed. Can you follow me? We will get the value, that is the velocity or the speed of that body is 50 meter per second. And next we have to find out the kinetic energy. Equation for kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Okay, then K is equal to half value of mass, that's equal to 60, into value of velocity or speed, that's equal to 50, then v square, that is 50 square, then 1 by 2 into 60 into 50 square, that is equal to 2500. This will become 30. Kinetic energy of that body is 75,000 joule, or in standard form we can write it as 7.5 into 10 raised to 4 joule. Okay, is it clear? In the question there is already mass is given and the momentum is given. We have to find out the kinetic energy and speed. Firstly, I solved for the speed. So I know the equation momentum P is equal to mv. Momentum and mass is are given. We have to find out the value of velocity. Then here P is equal to mv. Substituting the value of momentum and the mass, we will get the value of velocity or the speed, that is 50 meter per second. Then I solve for the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Substituting the value of m and v, solving, I will get kinetic energy is equal to 7.5 into 10 raised to 4 joule. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Next, Please listen. Another numerical. A truck weighing 1000 kg changes its speed from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 2 minutes. Calculate the work done by the engine and the power. Okay. Here I will write a truck weighing 1000 kg. Then I will consider mass is 1000. Mass is 1000 kilogram. Force exerted on that body, that is m is equal to 1000 kilogram. And here velocity is given, initial velocity, that is 36 km per hour. U is equal to 36 km per hour. We cannot solve a numerical with the higher units. It is in kilometer per hour. The SI unit is normally meter per second. So we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay? Here, just listen very carefully. 36 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So here I will write 36 into 1000. Can you follow me? By hour. 1 hour means 3600 seconds. That means 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60. So I can write here 60 into 60, or you can write directly 3600, 60 into 60. Okay, on solving this we will get, that is equal to 10 meter per second. Then similarly, final velocity, that is 72 km per hour. We can convert 72 into 1000 divided by 3600. That's equal to 20 meter per second. Okay. We got the initial velocity and the final velocity. Can you follow me? Then the time is given, time t is equal to 2 minutes. We cannot solve with that minutes. We have to convert it into second. Then 2 into 60, that's equal to 120 seconds. Okay. Then our first part, calculate the work done. I already explained one term, work energy theorem. Please don't go for some complicated calculations. Someone will say you do that U is here, V is here, T is here. You can calculate the acceleration, then you can calculate the displacement. Anyway, please don't go for the tough or complicated type of solving. Here, work energy theorem states that work done by a body is equal to change in kinetic energy. Okay, I already explained work energy theorem. Work done by a body is equal to the change in kinetic energy. Then I can write W is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Then I can take half and m as common, half m into v square minus u square. Can you follow me? Then here substituting this value, half into 1000 into v square. V means that is the final velocity that we solved, 20 square minus u, that is the initial velocity, that is 10 square. Okay. I can solve simply. There is no need to find out the square of 20 or square of 10. Here a square minus b square, you studied in mathematics, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Can you follow me, dear students? I know you already aware of this identity. No need to say this, but just I am saying for all the students. Then a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we have 20 square minus 10 square. That means we can write 20 plus 10 and 20 minus 10. Can you follow me? Then 20 plus 10, 30. 20 minus 10, 10. That's equal to 300. Okay. So here I can write half 1000 into 300. It will be half and 300, 150. Okay, so I can write 150, then these 3 zeros, joule. That is the work done. So in standard form I can write 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Okay, 4 zeros and then 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Okay, that is the equation. Okay, again I am stressing, please don't go through u is here, v is here, t is here. You can calculate the acceleration, then you can use another equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, then you can calculate this. Please don't go through that tough way. Okay, here work energy theorem states that work done by a body is equal to the change in kinetic energy. Then we have to go for the second part of the question. What is the power? Power is equal to work by time. We already got the value of work, that is okay. Then divided by time, we already solved, that is 120 seconds. Okay, you have to solve, then you will get 1.25 into 10 raised to 3. 1.25 into 10 raised to 3 watts. Okay, you will get this value. Okay, please solve that. Okay, study well. Please don't waste your time. Study well. If you have any doubt, please call me. It will be a great pleasure to me. If you have any doubt, then you should ask me. That is my pleasure. If you have any problem to call me, please WhatsApp me. Last day, one student messaged me in WhatsApp. I answered. Okay? So, if you have any doubt, please WhatsApp me or call me. Study well.